Narciso Platero Abeyta, Ha So Deh, 1918–1998, was a Navajo painter and silversmith. Early life and education. Abeyta was born in 1918. He is named after his father, Narciso. His mother was Pablita. He started drawing when he was 11. He attended the Santa Fe Indian School, starting in 1939. Dorothy Dunn was his teacher. Abeyta was a Golden Gloves boxer. He served in World War II, U.S. Army, as a code talker. After he returned from service, he was unable to work for 10 years due to his experiences at war. Eventually, he attended the University of New Mexico. He trained under Raymond Johnson. Midlife and career. Abeyta was primarily a painter. His paintings document Navajo life, and use brush-stroke techniques that are reminiscent of Navajo rugs. He had 2 known commissions for work as a muralist: a 1934 mural for a social science classroom in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and in 1939 for Meisel's Indian trading post in Albuquerque, New Mexico. He demonstrated painting at the 1939 San Francisco World's Fair. Abeyta married Sylvia Ann, a Quaker ceramics artist. They had 7 children, including artists Tony Abeyta and Pablita Abeyta. The family lived in Gallup, New Mexico. Later life and legacy. Abeyta died in 1998 from a cerebral hemorrhage. His work is held in the collections of the National Gallery of Art, National Museum of the American Indian, and the Museum of New Mexico. Major exhibitions: Translating Navajo Worlds, The Art of Narciso, Ha So Deh, and Tony Abeyta, 1994. Wheelwright Museum of the American Indian, Santa Fe, New Mexico.